Hello everyone. Take a white circular sheet of paper, then take an empty egg carton. Then cut it out in this particular shape and then make sure that you have ears to it. Paint it using pink. Use a darker pink for the center. Add eyes to it and then draw on the nose. Make different shapes out of this and color them in different colors. In the bottom, draw some flowers and grass, and there you have two pigs. Take a leaf, add tape to it, and then stick it one on top of the other. Draw on a head to it, you will be making a flamingo. Add legs to the bottom and then draw on a sun at the top. Add water all around it as well. Take a mask and then cut the mask, separate each of the layers of it. Line it with yellow paint or yellow marker. At the bottom, stick on some yellow clay, stick on a branch using some paper, and then stick all of your yellow tissue paper into it. It should look like a beautiful tree. Next, take a branch cut out of paper and then stick leaves all around it to make it look like a very luscious tree. Then add leaves at the bottom as well. Next, take differently colored leaves and then stick tape at the top using this kind of contraption. Stick it one beside the other, that is the leaves. Then cut out a leaf and then make a hoodie shape out of it. Draw on the shape of a little girl and then add little booties to the bottom as well. Add leaves all around. Next, start off by taking a circular black sheet of paper, take a leaf and then cut off the bottom of it. Add tape and then stick this leaf to it. In the top, add a small section of tape once again and then add the top. This will be a little girl. Then right beside it once again, add tape, cut out the shape of a cat using a leaf and then stick it beside. Add moons and stars at the top. Finally, this is the final product. Next, draw on the bark of a tree and then take multiple earbuds, tie them together, dip them in pink paint and then spread it all around. Use it for the ground as well and then put it all around your painting. Use different shades of pink in order to do so. Take a marker, draw these curved lines starting from the top of a circular white sheet of paper. Take green balls of clay, line it along the lines of the lines that you have created. Take two circles and then make multiple ducks out of it. Thank you for watching.